साल का बैन लगाया गया है।
तो ऐसा क्या मांग लिया तुमसे कि तुमने ये सब कदम उठाया?
Tufan is a film that I have been waiting for months. I've been watching its trailers, I have been following Farhan. This Friday, Tufan came in like a tufan.
अंग्रेजी में एक कहावत है, A storm in a teacup. यानी तूफान on Amazon Prime एक चाय की प्याली में गरज रहा है.
But then the film started, and then what happened? The expectations were high, and we expected Farhan to come through. We waited and we waited and we waited and we waited and we waited for the story to unfold.
जब ऊंची उम्मीदें लेकर फिल्म देखते हैं तो अक्सर निराशा महसूस होती है. तूफान की भी हवा ज़रा कमज़ोर है और इतनी सारी हवाएं चल रही हैं एक साथ कि वो एक दूसरे को कैंसिल कर देती हैं.
So I will tell you why I feel that Tufan actually missed the mark for me. Tufan essentially started off interestingly. There's this guy who was from the streets, he has this grit, and he meets a girl who's a doctor, and somehow she kind of brings some sense into him by saying, you know, you can't be an extortionist, you have to either be an extortionist or you have to be a boxer. And he chooses being a boxer, and he chooses being a boxer for someone else. And that's, you know, streamlined thought continues throughout the film.
फिल्म हिंदू मुस्लिम रिलेशनशिप्स पे एक इम्पॉर्टेंट नज़र डालती है. उस हिसाब से बोल्ड फिल्म है और कामयाबी से दिखाती है कि एक्सट्रीम व्यूज़, प्रेजुडिस दोनों तरफ हैं. इवेंचुअली हम सब इंसान ही तो हैं.
Suddenly a plot twist occurs. Are you bored of it being a sports film from a boxing film? You suddenly have it changed to, you know, a Hindu-Muslim film. Okay, fair enough. I think that element of the Hindu-Muslim was actually treated quite interestingly. But I don't think it had place in this film.
प्रॉब्लम है कि राकेश ओम प्रकाश मेहरा इससे पहले जो स्पोर्ट्स फिल्म बनाई थी, भाग मिल्खा भाग, वाह, फरहान अख्तर के साथ ही, वो इतनी अच्छी थी कि उसके मुकाबले में तूफान फीकी पड़ती है. लोग इस फिल्म में बहुत बात करते हैं लेकिन इमोशन को फील नहीं करते हैं. हमें मौका नहीं मिलता है कि हम भी उनके सफ़र में हिस्सेदार बने. यूँ कहें कि फिल्म मोन्टाजेस में बनी है. स्क्रीन प्ले बहुत शॉर्टकट्स लेता है और सब कुछ इतनी आसानी से होता है कि हमारे दिल को नहीं छूता.
It looks like there is a godfather, you know, like an invisible godfather of Farhan in this entire film. Any problem that he faces, there seems to be a solution already pre-kept, pre-designed, pre-set for him to enter into. Oh my God, he's got a ban, chalo, okay, 5 saal, now, okay, fine. Okay, now his wife tells him, chalo, yaar, you've got to do something, this is my dream, I want to see you as a boxer. I mean, for God's sake, it's her dream, not his. Doesn't he feel the shame of being banned? You feel no remorse? Nobody on the face of this earth behaves as if they know that he is a shamed boxer.
Farhan Akhtar as Aziz Ali, the champion boxer, transforms from gunda to lover to boxing champion, is banned, experiences a sudden death in the family, experiences revival, hopelessness and redemption, all at the flick of the screenwriter's magic wand. Jadui chadi. Even at 2 hours and 40 minutes, the film feels overstuffed.
There is a coach, which is Paresh Rawal. Awesome, awesome actor. Everyone tells him that if he, as in Farhan, that if he wants to be a boxer, he has to go to Paresh, you know, Rawal's academy and he has to learn. But all he does is pontificates throughout the film. You know, if you have a gameplay, use that gameplay, don't use the opponent's gameplay, and so on and so forth. I mean, he's a coach. You have to show me something that as a player, I'm not being able to see. As a sportsman, I'm not being able to see. The coach just doesn't mentor you. I mean, you become a part of his regime, his life, his family, his gameplay, his strategy. There is no strategy in this film.
I have the highest admiration for the actors. Farhan itne sincere actor hai. Krunal really lives her role. Paresh Rawal, Mohan Agashi, Supriya Pathak, Vijay Raz, Hussain Dalal, और वो छोटी सी गौरी फुल्का as Myra Ali, Farhan's little dot in the film are honestly simply outstanding.
I mean, stalwarts in their own space. light up the screen when they come, but they have to have something to do, which they don't in this film.
राकेश जी एक आउटस्टैंडिंग डायरेक्टर हैं, लेकिन लगता है कि कभी कभी वो चूक जाते हैं। फिल्म सेकंड हाफ में पिकअप तो करती है और एक्चुअली स्टोरी में दम आने लगता है। कई सीन्स बहुत इमोशनली पावरफुल है, पर्टिकुलरली बिटवीन परेश रावल एंड फरहान अख्तर। सच पूछिए तो कहीं कहीं तो मेरे आंखों में आंसू आ गए। फिल्म की खूबी है कि वो असली इवेंट से जुड़ी है, ये एक अच्छी बात है, और स्क्रीन प्ले में सीमलेसली शामिल किए गए। मुंबई का बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट, मुंबई के रेलवे ओवरब्रिज का कोलैप्स, हाउसिंग सोसाइटीज़ के प्रेजुडिस, ये बड़ी अच्छी तरह से फिल्म में बुने गए हैं।
Films like Rocky, films like Bloodsport, films like Cinderella Man, not only, you know, focus on the hero or the guy who's the underdog who comes in, but also face the opponent. Now, in this film, what has happened is that to show the raw talent of the opponent, you have one match. And then it's left to the imagination of the viewer to say ki bhaiya, the man that Farhan is going to face in his final fight has, you know, come to the final stage after 40 knockouts. How, when, where, what, nothing.
ये अजीज अली जो अपने आप से दुनिया से भाग रहा है, या ये अजीज अली तूफान जो फिर से उठेगा।
अब ऐसा लगता है सच्ची कि दो अलग अलग फिल्म बनी है, एक फर्स्ट हाफ की फिल्म है और एक सेकेंड हाफ की फिल्म है। इसलिए माफ़ कीजिए, मैं दो रेटिंग्स दूंगा। फर्स्ट हाफ की रेटिंग है 5 आउट ऑफ 10, सेकेंड हाफ की रेटिंग है 8 आउट ऑफ 10 एक्चुअली। अब इसका मतलब है इफ़ यू रिमेन पेशेंट, देखते रहिए, you will be rewarded with some high drama in the second half. Now in any case, the average of 5 plus 8, 13 is 6.5. So it's a pleasant watch, nevertheless.
This film I rate because of the fact that I am disappointed at 4 on 10. Unfortunately, it's not a bad film, but I expected so much more. It was built up for me for so much. I was literally groping to find out ये story कहाँ जा रही है. It's unfortunate. I'm hoping, and please know, directors, actors, they're all human beings. They all make mistakes. We are all allowed to have hits and misses. Tufan is a miss, unfortunately. It's more like a Puski bomb than it is a Tufan.
मगर मुझे फरहान अख्तर जी से एक अपील है, ज़रा सुनिए। फरहान भाई, you are such a fine director. Please consider returning to your first love, direction. बहुत समय बीत गया है, honestly, दिल चाहता है।
And if you want opposing and actual opposing views, come back to Dad and Dot. Every week, we will be here to show you something from our perspective, just for you. Click on the subscriber button. We are waiting to hear from you. Please check all our platforms. There's Twitter, Insta, Facebook, YouTube. What would you like us to review? Because we will bring it every week for you.